Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar. I'm excited to talk about how remote sensing and artificial intelligence are transforming the way we measure and predict crop quality, especially through a very interesting parameter called BRICS. This presentation is brought to you by Planet Eye Farm AI Limited. And over the next few minutes, we will go through how BRICS works, why it's important, and how satellite based AI models can estimate it across large farmlands in real time. Let's get started. So, what exactly is BRICS? BRICS is measured in degree, represents the percentage of dissolved solids, mainly sugar, sucrose, in plant juice. It, it's a direct indicator of sweetness, ripeness, and overall quality of fruits and crops. For crops like sugarcane, grapes, tomato, and citrus, BRICS is a key quality factor that determines market value and harvesting time. It even reflects how efficient the plant is performing photosynthesis. In short, it tells us how healthy and productive the plant is. BRICS isn't just a lab number, it directly influences from farm decisions. When we know the BRICS level, we decide the best time to harvest, optimize irrigation and fertilizer schedule, and predict yield and sugar level. For industries like sugar mill or fruit processor, BRICS helps in grading crop lot and planning procurement. So, understanding BRICS means we can connect plant physiology with economic outcomes. That's why it's such a powerful metric in agriculture. Traditional BRICS measurement. Traditionally, BRICS is measured using a simple device called refractometer. The process is manual. You take a juice sample, place a few drops on the instrument, and read the BRICS value based on how light beams through the sample. It's accurate, but it has some big limitations. It's destructive, meaning we have to cut or crush plant part. It's time consuming and it can't scale beyond small plots. In research field, it's fine, but for hundred or thousands of hectares, it's become impractical. That's why we started exploring non-destructive and scalable alternative. Now let's see how a spectrophotometer measures BRICS. It, it works by passing light through a juice sample and measuring how much light is absorbed. A light source sends a beam through a monochromator which filters a single wavelength. That light then passes through the sample and the detector measures how much light comes out on the other side. More sugar means more light get absorbed, and that's how we get the BRICS value. It's accurate method, but since it's required juice extraction, it's not practical for large scale or real time monitoring. Limitations of manual BRICS estimation. When we rely on manual sampling, we face issues like inconsistency between samples, uneven field coverage, and huge time requirement. Since BRICS can vary across a field depending on soil and microclimate, a few samples don't represent the whole farm. Also, repeating the same process weekly or daily is almost impossible. So, while manual BRICS measurement is great for accuracy, it fails when we want real time and large scale monitoring. That's where satellite based methods comes in. Satellite based BRICS estimation. Modern satellites like Sentinel and PlanetScope captures multispectral data, basically image in multiple light wavelengths beyond what our eyes can see. These wavelengths, especially in the visible SWIR and red edge regions, tell us about the plant chlorophyll content, water stress, and sugar accumulation. By analyzing how plants reflect or absorb lights, we can estimate bricks remotely without touching the crop. So, instead of field sampling, we get a continuous, non destructive, and repeatable monitoring system powered by satellite data. The science behind its spectral signature. Each healthy plant has a unique spectral signature, like a fingerprint or how it reflects light. When plants are photosynthesizing actively, they reflect more near infrared lights, showing high energy and sugar synthesis. But when stressed due to pest, drought, or nutrient issues, chlorophyll drops, reflectance changes, and bricks usually falls. By studying these spectral patterns, we can link changes in reflectance with sugar content, giving us a scientific foundation for satellite based bricks prediction. How satellite estimate bricks. Here's how the process works step by step. First, satellite captures reflectance data in spectral bands like NIR, SWIR, and red edged. Then, AI models trained using field bricks samples learn the relationship between spectral data and actual sugar content. Over time, these models become smarter and more crop specific. They then generate bricks prediction maps, visual maps that shows how sweetness or ripeness varies across field. It's a continuous feedback process. The more data we collect, the more accurate the prediction becomes. Now let's see what are the roles of AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning plays a huge role here. They combine satellite data with weather conditions, soil data, and field samples to predict bricks value. We use algorithms like regression model, convoluted neural networks, and random forest. These models keep improving as we feed in new data from each season. This approach makes crop quality monitoring scalable, cost effective, and almost real time, something that was never possible with manual method. Advantages of satellite based bricks prediction. There are several clear advantages. First, it's completely non destructive. We don't have to harm plants to know their sugar content. Second, it covers thousands of hectares at once, making it deal for sugar mills, cooperatives, and government agencies. Third, it enables frequent temporal monitoring. We can check crop quality weeks after weeks. It reduces error, saves labor, and offers consistent data across region. In short, it's scalable, repeatable, and cost effective. Application real time crop quality monitoring. With this system, we can track bricks variations across different fields and growth stages. We can monitor ripening trends, compare performance across plots, and even identify which areas are ready for harvest. Mill manager can use this insight for precision harvesting, meaning harvesting only when the crop reaches the ideal bricks range, which directly improves sugar recovery and profitability. Applications early stress and nutrient detection. Changes in bricks also act as an early warning system. A sudden drop crop might signal nutrient deficiency, pest infestation, or stress even before visible symptoms appear. So, by watching bricks pattern, farmers can take preventive actions, apply the right nutrient, or adjust irrigation, saving both crop and cost. This turned bricks from just a quality measure into a full-fledged crop health indicator. Example of visualization of map. So here's an example of how satellite bricks maps look. You can see different colors, green or yellow zones where higher bricks values and red zones indicates lower sugar level. This kind of visual mapping helps farmer and mill operators quickly access which plots are performing best and where attention is needed. This turns complex data into simple and actionable insights. Integration with Planet Eye Farm AI platform. At Planet Eye Farm AI, this technology is already a part of Crop Eye dashboard. Here, we can see how this feature is integrated directly into the Crop Eye dashboard. It brings together three important aspects: bricks estimation, stress mapping, and growth tracking, all in one. This system also provides real-time alerts and generates quality reports automatically. Plus, it's fully customizable, making it suitable for sugar mills, cooperatives, and agri-tech partners based on their specific needs. So here we have a case study of Nasik sugar belt. We tested this on sugarcane over 1.2 hectare plot. So our model achieved an average bricks accuracy of 17.46 degree bricks with less than plus minus 0.5 variation from lab results. This improved harvest planning by 18% and reduced sampling cost by nearly 70%. It's a solid example of how AI and space can bring tangible values to both farmer and mill. So here is an example. So here is a comparative analysis. In this table highlights the difference between manual and satellite-based bricks prediction. Manual testing is slow, costly, and limited to small areas, where satellite plus AI works on a large scale, faster, and at much lower cost. It's non-destructive, accurate across regions, and provides near real-time results. Something manual methods simply can't do. In short, AI and satellite makes bricks estimation quicker, cheaper, and more practical for modern farming. So, Planet Eye Farm AI Vision, revolutionizing crop quality intelligence using AI and space tech, empowering farmers, cooperatives, and sugar industries, advancing towards data-driven, sustainable agriculture ecosystems. We call it from space to sweetness, precision for every harvest. Now let's see what are the key takeaways from today's webinar. Satellite imagery enables real-time, scalable bricks estimation. AI enhances accuracy and interpretability. drives precision, sustainability, and profitability in sugarcane farming, a true game changer for crop quality. Thank you all for being part of this session. If you would like to explore this further, visit us at planetifarmai.ai or reach us at the contact number given on the screen.